From YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update the dock and the system software on your Nintendo Switch. So if you have some sort of error or something like that, or you can't play your games, you can try updating the system. So let's go to System Settings right here, and then scroll on down on the left side all the way over to System. Then you can go to where it says System Update. You can see the current version right there, and it's preparing the system for an update. It looks like mine is up to date. And we can back up, and we can go to Update Dock. Update the Nintendo Switch dock firmware. So we can select this. It looks like the firmware is already up to date. Now, if we have automatic updates turned on, we probably won't have to come to this section at all because it will do everything in the background automatically for us. So let's double check that. So we can scroll on down under here, and there's a setting called Auto Update. So we can find it right here. Auto Update System Software. Turn this on, and you should be good to go. But you can also do this for your games. If you go over the game, press the button with the plus on it, and then you can go to System Software right here, or just the software. And you can see this one is downloading, but I have to delete it. But if I go to Super Smash Brothers, I can do it via the internet, or I can match the version with local users right here. So just select this, and it should prompt a download if it's not already downloading. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.